Hi, Dave Taylor here again, and I'm still in Las Vegas a couple of days after the end of the Consumer Electronics Show. Now, this is an interesting show because, of course, everything that we're going to look at, everything I'm going to be addressing in the next year on the site is going to be stuff that showed up this week. So, super interesting and lots of cool stuff. And going as press, I tend to get a lot of handouts, a lot of stuff from companies because they're, of course, hoping that I'll actually try it out and write about it or do a video. And of all the stuff I got to say the most useful thing was from a company called Mophie. And I have it hooked up to my phone right now. So you see it's this little device here. Let me pop the wire, put my phone down. And it's not news that lots of companies have these battery extenders. If you have a smartphone, you probably noticed that the rated all-day charge really only lasts 5-6 hours maybe. And I got a new iPhone 6, so that's nice. But the problem is that by the end of the afternoon, it's looking pretty thirsty. And so what Mophie has here is they have this very nice little battery charger. This is called the PowerStation Plus. And this is 3,000 milliamp hours for those of you that understand what that means. So this means this is 2 full charges. Now, it's not news to have one of those, but what makes this really interesting is that it's not only small, but look what they have neatly tucked inside. Can you see that? It has both a lightning cable, and of course it's fully certified by Apple, so there's no issues with charging your phone, and it has a USB connector. So, how do you use this? Well, now it's ready to charge my phone, and it's certainly small enough I can use it and carry my phone around while it's drinking its juice. And then when I want to recharge the Mophie unit, then all I have to do is switch cables and plug this into anything with a USB connector. So, a handy computer, a wall charger, might even be inside a rental car or something. So, super convenient, really, really light. 3,000 milliamp hours is a pretty nice capacity. You can see it's like a really small deck of cards or something. I'm not sure what size it is, but it certainly fits very comfortably in my hand. So this is the PowerStation Plus. It comes in different sizes. You can also get it with a micro USB connector if you'd prefer that instead of a lightning connector. And at Amazon and at Mophie.com, it runs about 79 bucks. And as someone that has a lot of extended batteries, I mean, literally I got 4 other ones at the show. And given all of those, I think this is probably the best one I've ever seen. This is the keeper because it's tiny and it actually has that lightning cable. And trust me on this, having an external cable that you have to manage too is just one too many things. Now, the thing that would make this really wicked cool would be to have little prongs, so it would be this size and I could plug it directly into a wall, but lacking that capability, having the USB right there inside this little guy makes it an absolute keeper. So, the Mophie PowerStation Plus, starting at 79 bucks, I would tell you to check it out, but you certainly can't check this one out because this is a keeper. This is Dave Taylor, and someday I'll leave Las Vegas, and until then, I'll catch you in my next video.